Hey everybody, I just wanted to make this video because I did not have time to explain the homework. So I want to make sure that all of you understand the homework and you are clear about what you need to do. So let's very briefly go over how to do the homework. Let me pull this up. So first, let's just quickly review the 3 steps in problem solving. They are, like we've been talking about, defining the problem. What are the important aspects of the problem, the most important aspects? Then make suggestions to solve the problem and then discuss those suggestions. Then evaluate the suggestions. Now, we have not talked about this yet, but defining the problem was part of the homework that was due today. These expressions, defining the problem. Then, step 2, making suggestions. We have not responded to suggestions, but for the homework that was due today, that we went over in class, we learned in this activity how to make suggestions using statements. And we learned how to make suggestions using questions in this activity. So for homework that's due next class, for assignment 5, we're focusing on giving reasons why your suggestions are good. So after you make suggestions, you want to give reasons why they're good, why your suggestions are good. You want to tell the person you're speaking to why your suggestions can help solve the problem. That's what this homework is about. So imagine, here's the problem. You and your friends have a summer vacation travel problem. I'm sorry, winter vacation travel problem. So imagine this is winter vacation, sorry. So my friends and I were planning to travel abroad this winter vacation, but due to COVID-19, we can't go abroad. We can't go to another country, but we still want to travel together somewhere. So first you define the problem, then you think of some suggestions, you make suggestions. And let's say, for me, I'm going to make a suggestion. I'm going to say, I think or how about we travel to Jeju? How about traveling to Jeju? Perhaps we could travel to Jeju. I think we should travel to Jeju. I gave a suggestion, but when I'm having a conversation, I need to support my suggestion. I need to give a reason to the person I'm talking to why my suggestion is good. That's what this homework is about. So there are 4 main ways to give reasons for your suggestions, to explain why your suggestions are good. First, you can provide general or specific information of your suggestion. 2, you can give examples of your suggestion. 3, you can talk about your own personal experiences related to your suggestion. 4, you can explain why someone else will like your suggestion. And these 4 ways to give reasons for your suggestion are in the front page of assignment 5. These 4 things right here. And here's the example problem we talked about with winter vacation, traveling to Jeju. So let's take a look at examples. So the first way to give reasons for your suggestion is to provide general or specific information of your suggestion. The question you want to answer is, What does your suggestion need? If we go to Jeju, how much money will it cost? That's how you support your suggestion. You need to tell the people you're talking to how much money it costs to go to Jeju, how much time it takes, what other requirements are needed. So, for example, I think we should go to Jeju. Traveling to Jeju would not cost as much money as traveling abroad. We could get cheap flights if we fly on weekdays. So I'm providing some general specific information for my suggestion. Also, it doesn't take long to get there, so we can save time flying. So I'm supporting my suggestion. The second way to give reason for your suggestion is give examples. What are some options with your suggestion? I think we should go to Jeju. Jeju offers fun things to do outside. For example, there's biking, swimming, and hiking. Examples. We can try special foods there. For instance, they have really fresh seafood and a special type of grilled pork. So I'm giving examples, the options available. A third way to give reasons for your suggestion is to talk about your own personal experiences. So, what are my personal experiences with Jeju? I think we should go to Jeju. I went to Jeju a few years ago with some friends. It was fun. We stayed at an Airbnb right next to the coast. So every morning we could just walk across the street, see the sunrise. It was beautiful. So I'm giving my personal experiences. The fourth way to give reasons for your suggestion is to explain why someone else will like your suggestion. So how is it connected? How is your suggestion connected, excuse me, to other people in the group or other people in general? I think we should go to Jeju. Sorry. And is your suggestion something that other people in the group or other people in general would like or want to do? I think we should go to Jeju. Some of my friends don't have that much money, so this is a good way to have a fun trip at a low price. Also, Jeju is the most similar area in Korea to Thailand and Vietnam, so we'll be able to experience similar water activities, which everyone will like. Okay, so what I just described was the front page. So all the last 4 slides, I just described this chart. 4 main ways to give reasons for your suggestions. Provide general information, give examples, talk about your personal experiences, explain why someone will like your suggestion. That's information you'll need to know to do. Here's the activity. So this is what you need to do. Here are the 4 problems from class. Problem 1 that we did in breakout rooms today in the Google Doc. Taking too many credits. Hanging out with new friends, but you don't want to drink. Being homesick. Feeling stressed out because your grades aren't as high as they were in high school. Okay, in class, you and your partner discuss these 4 problems. In this chart, write 1 or 2 suggestions. Write 1 or 2 suggestions. How do we give suggestions? Well, from the previous homework, you can use these statements or these questions. So use this language to provide 1 or 2 suggestions for each problem. And then in this column, give 3 reasons your suggestions is or are good. Here are the 4 main ways that we talked about in the PPT and here. 4 main ways to give reasons for your suggestions. So for homework, write 1 or 2 suggestions for each problem. In class today, you define the problem. Now write 1 or 2 suggestions for each problem and 3 reasons for your suggestion or suggestions. Whew, okay, I hope that's clear. If it's still not clear, Kakao Talk Me. Kakao Talk Me. Get your message instantly and be able to answer. Okay, I hope this video helps. I hope it clears up any confusion. Like I said, if you're still unclear, have a great weekend, everybody, and I will see you on Tuesday. See ya.